The time has come to turn on the light to enjoy your interior, but it is also the moment to appreciate your garden, provided that some adjustments have been made. It is indeed about installing a few light points in your garden. Here are some examples to follow. 2 solutions to illuminate the plants. The first is to install a stake light at the heart of each bush. It will diffuse soft light filtered through the foliage, revealing the silhouette of each plant. The second concerns large trees or bushes with an exceptional silhouette, like this cloud-pruned shrub here. The spotlight is installed at the base of the plant with the beam directed upwards. This way, you will reveal the structure and design of the trunk and branches and highlight the nature of the bark. In addition to illuminating plants, there is the lighting of artworks, like this sculpture. Here too, plant a spotlight at the base of the piece so that the beam reveals areas of shadow and light. This will highlight the work and reveal its contours. But ambient lighting can also show innovation and whimsy, like hanging or attaching fixtures in the trees. Here, hanging lamps in this elder will illuminate the garden and transform it into a work of art that will live with the wind, but also at everyone's initiative. Finally, know that lighting techniques, such as LEDs or low-voltage systems, are now economical and easy to use. On the energy side, you will connect to the electrical grid or use the solar system, which is much more eco-friendly and increasingly efficient. With the fairy electricity having taken possession of your garden, nothing prevents you from using the charm of candlelight to create a soft and warm light for an evening.